As an event planner, are you juggling many tasks right now? Creating a stunning floor plan for an event may be difficult, especially during COVID-19. The good news is that event diagramming software exists that can help you in creating precise floor plans, 3D renderings, and seating charts that can help you arrange the tables and chairs and follow the social distancing. EventDraw's drag-and-drop functionality enables event planners to easily create spectacular event floor plan layouts. This tool enables you to generate precise and streamlined event floor plans for dinners, conferences, and cocktail parties. As you can see, the system is absolutely brilliant. It's incredibly fast, simple to use, and has an astonishing amount of new features. To start using EventDraw, our team will set up your user accounts. You can do this now by visiting our website eventdraw.com and go to sign up. Be part of EventDraw, the must-have tool for event planners. Come on,